Hands up, then we gonna drop.
Girlfriend, she's upset. She's going off about something that you said. But she doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in the room, it's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like. And she'll never hear your story like I do. But she wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain, I'm on the bleachers. Dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see down the one who understands you, then here all alone. So why can't you see you belong with me? When I first saw you, I closed my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there